So you want to learn how to meditate. This is one of the ways I do. But in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can learn how to meditate. Here we go. Hey, what's up guys? Tony here. I'm a certified personal trainer and a health and wellness coach. On this channel, I provide workout tips and tricks as well as educational videos to help you take control of your own health. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Anyways, let's get started with the video. If you search meditation on Google, the first thing you see, other than an ad, is a definition. And it says, meditation is a practice that somebody uses, such as mindfulness or focusing on an object, thought, or activity. And that's to reach a calm and stable state. A lot of people think meditation is where you have to sit for a long time cross-legged with your eyes closed and have a completely clear head. Yeah, that's one way. But there are also several other options for you to try. Yoga, for one, is a meditation. You become one with your body and learn to feel every bit of what your body wants. It relaxes your body, relieving tension. Visualization is another great form of meditation. This is where you close your eyes and really focus on a person, place, or a thing. You really want to try to feel and see in your head what you're visualizing. For example, you could picture yourself on a boat floating down a river. You could feel the wind or the breeze going through your hair. You could smell the fresh scents around you. You could see the water flowing. Focusing on such practices can help ease tension in your mind and your body. There is no set way to meditate. Simply stated, meditation is a way of getting focused. That being said, any hobby, activity, or practice that requires your complete focus and attention can be considered a meditation technique. Swimming, jogging, knitting, juggling, playing a musical instrument, drawing, even gardening. Those could all be forms of meditation. If you find any comfort or relaxation from any activity that you do, that could be your form of meditation. I'm not sponsored by Headspace at all. But you could go to their website and I'll link it down below, and they describe several different ways to get meditating. And they only describe it in about a paragraph each, and it's pretty interesting. So I definitely suggest go checking that out. I just want to emphasize there's no specific way to meditate. For me, I like to juggle and I love to visualize. Every time before I go to a competition, I literally put myself in my shoes. I picture what I'm gonna do. I picture how the day is gonna go. And that just completely relaxes my mind and my body. If one way doesn't work for you, go ahead and try another. There's tons of different ways to meditate. If any of you guys have any additional tips or any advice, go ahead, comment down below and let's connect. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with any new videos I'm going to release. Just a heads up guys, I'm going to be releasing a lot more videos, so stay tuned. Peace.